Hello and welcome to our channel. Hi guys, so in this video we are going to see how to engage in natural conversations with ChatGPT. So as you know, ChatGPT is an AI tool which you can have conversation with it. So if you focus on its name, Chat, you can see you can have conversation with it. You can ask this tool to write poems, jokes, anything else. You can write resume and CV, cover letter, etc. Anything related to text based, you can ask it. So for example, we are going to ask him, introduce yourself. So we give a command to it, introduce yourself. As you can see, it responds, of course, I am ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. So you can ask him for any random question. For example, I am going to ask him, can you recommend any finance can you recommend good finance books to read in 2023? We ask it for books recommendations. As you can see, it is recommending us books. Look at this. And then we are going to give another command. I am feeling sad. Suggest any sad Hindi music. So we ask it for sad Hindi music. Let's see what happens. I'm sorry to hear that you are feeling sad. Music can sometimes be a source of solace during difficult times. You can see it is suggesting sad music to us. So you can ask anything to it. For example, write a birthday wish for my friend. You can see it is going to give us a text template, a type of prompt. You can then put your friend name and then you can edit it and send it to your friend. So what question are you going to ask to ChatGPT? Tell us in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.